Madela Quirino has a new mayor. Rimel Tolentino took his oath of office before a court judge. The former vice mayor became the town's local chief executive following the resignation of Mayor Florante Ruiz. Ruiz stepped down due to a recurring illness. A new vice mayor also took his oath. The post vacated by Tolentino was taken over by the number 1 councilor, Junard Ramos.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.